So I'm gonna do a halloumi burger using Riverina Halloumi. I've got D'orsogna Streaky Bacon with the rind off, and all the rest. All the rest starts with some fried eggs. So into a pan over a medium heat, some extra virgin olive oil. And I'm just gonna fry some eggs. Really, really simple. Crack your eggs on a flat surface, not a pointy surface, and you will never get any shells in the pan. Just checking. Nah, no shells. So there we are. Just gonna do some sunny side up fried eggs. A little bit of salt on there. Now, I did promise you cheese and bacon burger. The cheese being the halloumi, of course. The bacon, well, it's the best. I've got D'orsogna Streaky Bacon here, rindless. And don't be parsimonious. You gotta be generous. So lots and lots of bacon. I'll just make 2 burgers today. That means 2 times 2, 4, carry nothing, 4 rashers of bacon. Can you smell it? Can you smell it? I got a lot of balls, or should I say eggs in the air here. The eggs are just frying beautifully. The heat's coming up through the pan. I've got the bacon happening. Now, I'm gonna use this Riverina Dairy Halloumi. It's my protein, of course. Cheese is a great source of protein, and this Riverina Halloumi heats to a very high temperature, won't fall apart, so you can be confident that you can give it lots of heat in the pan. That will achieve caramelization, the result being more flavour. So we're going to serve, half a block per burger. Does that offend you? I'll check on the bacon. It's ready to be flipped, I think. Oh, ha-ha! Look at that. Beautiful caramelization. The fat's starting to render out. The result of that is the bacon's going beautifully crispy. It's going to provide a lovely sort of persistent salt note to our halloumi burgers. Makes me smile. Now, I'm going to get these eggs out of the pan. That's a beautiful thing. On the same pan that I did the eggs, no one likes too much washing up, I'm going to do the Riverina Halloumi. I'm going to get the pan medium to high heat for that because I want that caramelization. I need to make a wee change for you, for your benefit. Don't just put on 4 rashers of bacon. Put on extra, because you'll need 2 each for the burgers, and you'll need a few extra for the cook. Those cooks, you know, the ones on TV, they'll be talking to you about fat being flavour. Not too much, though, so I'm just going to put my D'orsogna Streaky onto some Chux here, just dampening away a little bit of that fat will serve this dish well. Okay. Bacon and eggs. Now the hero, the Riverina Dairy Halloumi. A little bit of olive oil, and then just carefully place the halloumi in the pan. We know that it will handle the high heat. It won't be offended by that. And then resist the temptation to play with it too much. Just leave it alone to do its thing, to get nice and golden and caramelized. Over here, on the griddle pan, I've kept the heat on there, and I can see a little shimmer of bacon fat. I'm going to toast my brioche bread rolls on there, so any of that benefit of that bacon fat on there will be absorbed into the brioche rolls. Delicious. So I promised you a burger with all the rest, maybe even better than all the rest. So we've got some pickles, some dill pickles. I'm cutting them into big, thick slices, big, proper slices. Love pickles in my burgers. Some tomato, thick tomato slices in our burger. And then one other, just some beautiful Cos lettuce for crunch. Flip that halloumi. Think it's ready? Oh, it's ready. Oh, it's ready. Oh, it's so good. 100% Australian owned. You can see that it hasn't fallen apart at all. Look at that. Burger buns. They're nicely toasted. You can see the benefit of not fiddling with the halloumi while it's cooking. Just leave it to do its thing. When you get it lightly golden, be confident, grasp the nettle, leave it in the pan and let it go a little bit longer. Let it go deep, dark and golden. And it will elevate, it will be transcendent. It'll be the best thing you've ever tasted. Okay, straight from the frying pan not into the fire, but straight into the burgers. So the halloumi goes on the base there. Look at that. And then our bacon, big slabs of bacon on there. And then our fried eggs. You with me? And then, what do you want to do next? Tomatoes? Okay. Give me just one tomato. Getting a bit excited there, obviously. Some pickles. Double pickles for me, please. And then some lettuce. Just tear that. Goes on top. And then with our lids, we're going to load that with hummus. You could do mayonnaise, of course. I like this. Give it a go. It's got a lot more flavour to it than perhaps just a simple mayonnaise. I love the richness of it. Okay, let's do it. Goes on top. I feel very #on trend, giving you a beautiful burger. Try the Riverina Halloumi. It makes the most stunning burger. Well, if the mood of the moment is burgers, I'm in the mood. Drive along to the next window.